set of real numbers or the subset of real numbers. Now what is next? Algebra of sets. If f from x to r, x means any set, r is set of all real numbers, and g is a function from x to r. This can be read as f is a function from x to r and g is a function from x to r, where x is subset of r. अब ये जो set लेते हैं ये r का subset होना चाहिए. Then first algebra is f plus g of x is a function from x to r is given by f plus g of x equal to fx plus gx, where x belongs to capital X. Similarly, f minus g of, this is first one, second one is f minus g of x equal to fx minus gx. That means if you find sum of two functions, you can add the function separately. Similarly, in the case of difference also. Now, if you multiply any function by a constant, then you can take that constant outside and function as it is. That is k into f of x equal to k of x. Similarly, the quotient f by g of x equal to fx by gx. And last one is product fg of x is equal to fx into gx. That means f plus g of x is fx plus gx, first one. Second, f minus g of x is fx minus gx. Third, k into fx equal to kfx. Fourth one is f by g of x equal to fx by gx. And fifth one is f into g of x equal to fx into gx. In this way, you can find some difference, product, quotient, and multiplication of any function by a scalar. Now let us do some examples. I am giving an example to clear this algebra of sets. That is, the example is, let me read the question from NCERT book that I am saying. The question is, if fx is given as the function, fx is equal to x square and gx equal to 2x plus 1. This is an example from NCERT book, that is page number 43. Page number 43 and example number 16. I am taking by trial and error one example. First one, we can find f plus g of x. f plus g of x is fx plus gx. That is very simple. आपको दो फंक्शन का सम निकालने के लिए अलग अलग सम निकाल करके वो फंक्शन का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. दैट मीन्स your fx is x square plus 2x plus 1. That is f plus g of x equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. Are you getting? Similarly, what will be f minus g of x? f minus g of x is x square minus 2x minus 1. Second function is 2x plus 1. That is x square minus 2x minus 1. Now how we can find f g of x? f g of x equal to fx into gx. That is fx is x square into 2x plus 1, that is 2x cube plus x square. Now next one is f by g of x, that is x square by 2x plus 1. Here one condition is very important. This you should know because this topic is very important not only in class 12 but also in higher studies as well as competitive examination. So that this function is defined if the denominator should not be equal to 0. What will be the value of 1 by 0 that you have studied in class 10th in trigonometry? Something upon 0 is not defined. For conveniently we will write it as infinity. So that this function will be defined if 2x plus 1 is not equal to 0. This condition should be written. That means x not equal to minus 1 by 2. In this way, you can find some product, difference, and quotient of two functions if you are given the function separately. This is the thing that you understood the algebra of set by going through this example. Now, what is the next topic? Next topic is, I'm just giving you, let me go through the question. If you are given, I am parallelly moving through RD as well as NCERT. Now let me go through the question. Now suppose that you are given a function fx is equal to 2x minus 5. आपको एक function दे रखा है and you are asked to find the value of f of different constant. Suppose that you are asked to find f0, f of 0. That means you have to replace x by 0. f of 1, f of minus 2. Then how will you do? F0 is equal to, you have just replaced the value x by 0 in the given function, that is 2 into 0 minus 5, that is minus 5. F1 is equal to 2 into 1 minus 5, that is minus 3. F minus 2 is equal to 2 into minus 2 minus 5, that is minus 9. In this way, we can find the value of any function if the respective constants are given. And if you, here I took simple example. If you, in the place of this one, you can take rational function. Yesterday I told you rational function means the function which is in the form of px by qx. Example I am taking 2x minus 3 upon x square plus 1. Now we can find f0. F0 is equal to 2 into 0 minus 3 upon 0 plus 1, that is minus 3. In this way we can find the any value of the given function in terms of constant by replacing the value of the variable by the given quantity. This is the next topic. First one is algebra of sets. Second one is how we can find the value of the given function at a point. Next one is little bit difficult, but first of all I will read the question. Let me go through the examples. See, if you are given a function, if f is a function from x to y given by fx equal to y, now y is called the image of f under image of x under f. Similarly, मैंने कल आपको बताया था y is the image and x is the pre-image. Pre-images of y is x, image of x is y. And I will give an example of such type of question. You are given a function f from R to R. Take an example from R.D. Sharma, given by fx is equal to x square plus 3. That is the function. R to R means set of all real numbers. Then find the pre-image of 28. Pre-image of 28. How we can find it? Pre-image of 28. That means you are given that fx equal to 28. 28 का pre-image निकालना है. आपको 28 इमेज दे रखा है, इसका प्री इमेज निकालना है. इमेज हमेशा fx का वैल्यू होता है इमेज, x का वैल्यू होता है प्री इमेज. देन व्हाट यू आर गिवन? fx क्या दे रखा आपको? x square plus 3. x square plus 3 equal to 28 implies x square is equal to 25 implies x is equal to plus or minus 5. Therefore, pre-image of 28 can be written in interval form as minus 5 plus 5. Why this is which type of interval? Closed. Closed means the value should be included. Getting? Now, next topic is, in this way you can do, number of questions are there in R.D. Sharma, find the pre-image of 39 of this question, like that. And I will give you, or send you the photo of these questions, then you can do by yourself. Now, next topic is, again, it will be different. This topic is very important. First of all, I will give, write the question, and after that we will proceed. I am doing question number example 4, page number 3.10 of R.D. Sharma. I am reading the question. If fx equal to, if, listen very carefully, this is little bit difficult. If fx equal to x minus 1 upon x plus 1, आपको फंक्शन दे रखा है fx equal to x minus 1 upon x plus 1. यहाँ कौन सा कंडीशन आना चाहिए? कब ये जीरो होगा? x का वैल्यू -1, so that x not equal to -1. This condition should be written. अगर ये कंडीशन नहीं लिखेंगे आप तो ये फंक्शन एग्जिस्ट नहीं होगा. ये हमेशा किस तरह की फंक्शन में आपको लिखना है? रैशनल फंक्शन में लिखना है. Now, how show that? Question is, show that f of fx is equal to minus 1 by x, minus 1 by x. f of fx is again a function. ये कब डिफाइन नहीं होगा? अगर x 0 होगा तो. सो ये कंडीशन लिखना है x नॉट इक्वल टू 0. कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे? ध्यान से देखना. f of fx, f of fx, just replace the value of fx by the given function. This is question number example 4, page number 3.10 of R.D. Sharma. R.D. Sharma. f of fx, f of x minus 1 upon x plus 1. सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया? We replace the value of fx by the given function. Now what you have to see? यहाँ जहाँ fx का वैल्यू क्या है? यहाँ जहाँ पे भी ये वेरिएबल है, उस वेरिएबल का वैल्यू को इसे रिप्लेस करना, क्योंकि ये वन कांस्टेंट है. fx मतलब क्या होता है? x का वैल्यू डालना है, तो कांस्टेंट एज इट इज रहेगा. जैसे कि fx इक्वल टू 2x प्लस 3 होता है, f3 इक्वल टू 2 इंटू 3 प्लस 3 करते हैं. जैसे fx इज इक्वल टू 2x प्लस 3 में हम क्या करते हैं? f3 निकालने के लिए क्या करते हैं? f3 इक्वल टू सिर्फ x में वैल्यू डालते हैं, कांस्टेंट को एज इट इज छोड़ते हैं. Likewise here we have to replace the value of this one x by this value, and minus 1 and 1 will remain as it is. That is x minus 1 by x plus 1. Are you getting? That is first x minus 1. That is the numerator. Again x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus 1. देखिए हमने पहले f of fx में fx का वैल्यू क्या है रख दिया, जहां x का वैल्यू आ रहा है वहां इस वैल्यू से रिप्लेस कर दिया. नेक्स्ट स्टेप, टेक एलसीएम. x minus 1 minus x minus 1 upon x minus 1, sorry x plus 1 whole upon. See carefully, due to the lack of space I have to write in small form. That is x minus 1 plus x plus 1 upon x plus 1. Both are getting cancelled. X is getting cancelled, 1 is getting cancelled. That is minus 2 upon 2x. Both are getting cancelled, minus 1 by x. That means we have proved that f of fx is equal to minus 1 by x. In this way, you can find value of the function in terms of variable. In the previous case, we find the value of the function in terms of constant. The last question of this type is, and the last question of today's class is again the very important question, very much important, example 6 of page number 3.10 again. 3.10 page number 6. I am reading the question. If f is a real valued function given by fx is equal to x minus 1 upon x plus 1, prove that f of 2x is equal to 3 into fx plus 1 upon fx plus 3. I will do this question by two methods. First one is by directly putting the values, and second one is typical, that is very useful in trigonometry, that is fx, and also for higher competitive examination. F of 2x is LHS. F of 2x is equal to, replace x by 2x minus 1 upon 2x plus 1. That is first equation. Now RHS, this is very simple, you can do by yourself. RHS is 3 into fx plus 1 upon fx plus 3. Just replace the values. That is 3 into x minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus 1 whole upon x minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus 3. That is 3 on simplification, 3x minus 3 plus x plus 1. These are both x plus 1 will get cancelled. Due to the lack of space, I am writing directly. Can you understand it? Okay. That is x minus 1 plus 3x plus 3. Now see, this is 4x minus 2, again 4x plus 2. From this numerator, 4x plus 2. From this numerator and denominator, you can take 2 common, so that it will become 2x minus 1 upon 2x plus 1. That is equation 2. देखिए फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में आपको सीधा वैल्यू पुट किया, सेकंड में fx जहां दे रखा वैल्यू पुट करके पहले वैल्यू पुट कर लिया, फिर मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके 3x माइनस 3 प्लस x प्लस 1 करके डिनोमिनेटर को कैंसिल करके जो लास्ट में सिंपलीफाइड फॉर्म में लाने के लिए 2 से डिवाइड किया, 2 कॉमन फैक्टर लिया. देन व्हाट कैन यू कंक्लूड? 1 and 2 gives 1 and 2 gives f of this result, f of 2x equal to 3 into fx plus 1 upon fx plus 3. One more method is there, that is the ADDIE method. Little bit difficult, but you should know this one also, especially science students. What you are given? You are given fx is equal to x minus 1 by x plus 1. In ratio and proportion, in lower classes, I think that you have had it. If two ratios are equal, you can say it as proportion. That concept you have to use here. If a by b is equal to c by d, this is a proportion. Then a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus b. a by b equal to c by d होता है. एक बार दोनों को प्लस करना, एक बार दोनों को माइनस करना, न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर दोनों साइड. This property is known as componendo and dividendo. By applying the property, componendo means compound करना, add करना. Dividendo means divide करना, कम करना. कम करना means subtract करना. This property is very useful in trigonometry as well as number of chapters, also in competitive examination. Now I am using this property to prove this one, that is fx can be written as fx by 1 is equal to x minus 1 by x plus 1. Then by applying, लिखते हैं इसे applying component of domain, using नहीं लिखते, ये apply हो रहा है operation है. fx plus 1 upon fx minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 upon x plus 1, sorry, x minus 1 plus x plus 1, numerator add, upon x minus 1 minus x minus 1. पहले x minus 1 plus x plus 1 कर दिया, x minus 1 minus of x plus 1, ब्रैकेट को खोलेंगे तो x minus 1 minus x minus 1 हो जाएगा. एक्चुअली ये टर्म क्या है, x minus 1 minus of x plus 1 है, तो मैंने डायरेक्ट लिख दिया. आपको ये इसमें लिखना है by applying componendo and dividendo. In short form you can write as C and D. ये लिखना बहुत जरूरी है. Now that means fx plus 1 upon fx minus 1 is equal to 2x by minus 2, that is minus x. I am replacing the value of x because we want the value of x, implies x is equal to fx plus 1 upon, मैंने माइनस से इसको मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी तो ये fx minus 1 1 minus fx हो गया. ये आपका फर्स्ट इक्वेशन है. इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है लेकिन फिर भी बहुत सिंपल है. नाउ x मिल गया. अब हमको क्या प्रूफ क्या करना है, f of 2x इक्वल टू प्रूफ करना है. तो लेफ्ट साइड से स्टार्ट करेंगे. लेफ्ट साइड इज f of 2x, that is 2x is you have to replace 2x, f of 2x equal to fx क्या दे रखा है, x minus 1 by x plus 1. then f of 2x equal to 2x minus 1 upon 2x plus 1. then replace x by this one, that is 2 into fx plus 1 upon 1 minus fx. Why it is 1 minus fx? By multiplying both sides by minus sign, in order to find value of x is the sign of x as positive. 2x minus 1, 2 into fx plus 1 upon 1 minus fx minus 1 whole upon 2 into, again putting the value, fx plus 1 upon 1 minus fx minus 1. Now what we have to do? Just solve by cross multiplication, that is 2 into fx plus 2 minus 1 plus fx whole upon 1 minus fx, that is numerator, again denominator 2 into fx plus 2, see, plus 2 minus 1, let me check, 2 into fx, 2 into fx plus 2 minus 1 plus x upon 1 minus fx is LCM, again 2 into fx plus 2, here the value is, sorry, this is plus 1, ये plus 1 था, that is why I am just checking it. यहाँ 2x minus 1 upon 2x plus 1 था, minus 1 already हो गया, plus 1 इधर आ रहा है, तो this term becomes 1 minus fx. इसलिए आपको एक एक चीज का साइन भी बहुत ध्यान से देखना, एक साइन गलत हो गया पूरा गलत हो जाएगा. that is 2fx plus fx 3fx plus 1 upon 2fx minus fx plus 3. I think that you are asked to prove. 3fx plus 1 upon fx plus 3, that is RHS. That is, we have done this question by two methods. First, that is directly putting the value of x in LHS and RHS, and second, by applying component of dividend of a by b equal to c by d means a plus b upon a minus b equal to c plus d upon c minus d. This much is today's topic. If any queries, you can ask me personally. See you again. Thank you.